Kapil. I have done BBA and MBA. I completed my MBA in 2013, and after that, I am working with Bajaj Finance since last 10 years at the capacity of National Manager of Digital Marketing. So, digital marketing, I've entered like 4.5 years back. However, just to get a new perspective and basically to get what is up the curve, which is happening, and what is current changes which are happening in digital marketing space, I just wanted to be updated with that, along with the things which you guys provide, such as Chat GPT and all those stuff, which were not used to exist and basically was not that relevant a year back. So just to be hands-on with these new things in the digital marketing space. We also had a dashboard in the Digital Vidya portal wherein we can post our queries, post sessions also. And the best thing about that was like the recorded sessions, which helped me even while working. I didn't miss a single session because of the recorded sessions which were available on the portal. It was great. It was very fluid. There was a coordinator which was assigned to me and was very helpful in my day-to-day issues and whatever I used to be like needing help for. And overall, the course quality was good. The faculties was good. Uh, it was a very interactive session, and because it was live, we kind of get real-time resolutions of our queries. Suggestion, I would say, yeah, of course, because see, there's no university which will go in this deep with this particular subject, and of course, the subject is booming, and it's a very, it is like the companies are moving digital, and hence the digital marketing have become a very important aspect of any organization. It's a very quick and a very kind of say 3-4 months in a duration of 3-4 months. What you learn in digital marketing here, I think it's a very relevant and to the point course which have been designed. So yeah, it's very helpful. People who are aspiring to be a marketer obviously should be looking for this course, which gives us a digital perspective as well.